Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. It's final Cast Iron Wednesday for the month of November, which is comfort food. So I'm going to be doing meatballs, one of my favorite things to eat. Although my mom makes meatballs way better than I do, but still, yeah. So let's get to it. Alright, gonna steam up some asparagus for tonight's vegetable. Not really doing anything too special with it. I usually cut all the little ends off because they're not really that tasty to begin with. So got a pot of rice going as well. Just one cup rice, 1.5 cups of water. Wash the rice till it's clear. Boil for 10 minutes and then let sit for 12. Never removing the lid. I didn't mention it, but I don't usually start the timer for the rice until it starts to boil. And I just drop the heat down to medium. Then the 10 minutes starts. I really don't follow a tight recipe for my meatballs. Just have some breadcrumbs, about that many. The usual seasonings, garlic, little sapia mama, some salt, an egg. And then just get in there and mix it up. This is just ½ pound of ground beef. I bought it at the grocery store. Alright, let's get these. Pan should be heating up. Now what I like to do is I like to start them in the pan, brown them up, and then I pop them in the oven and just kind of bake them because I get a nice even bake. So I don't know if I mentioned, but if I didn't, this is only ½ pound of ground beef. So I shouldn't get too many meatballs out of this. Just roll them up. Go. Alright. 33 seconds left on the timer. So wait, was it 12 on the? You know what? I might have screwed that up. I think it was. I can't remember if I set it for 12 seconds, 12 minutes, or 1 minute. Pan's looking a little dry. pop these guys in the oven. Nice. Alright, so what I want to do is I want to make some gravy. A little bacon grease here. Alright. Gonna make some gravy. Throw in some flour. I just got some beef stock here. Gravy's thickening up nicely. Of course, you gotta season your salt, pepper. Gonna need a little bit more stock. Meatballs are done. It only took about 9 minutes in the oven, which is nice because I don't have to worry. I worry less about like getting them too much done. You know, cook them too much on one side, not another. Oven's always a nice even heating. Throw them in the pan with the gravy. Go ahead and kill my oven. So get that out of my way. Kill that burner. Well, let's dish up. Let's see here. I'm just going to put them right on top of the rice, I suppose. Dish out some of this homemade gravy. Nice. Kind of made a little bit of a mess, but whatever. Here's the meal. We got some steamed asparagus. We got some homemade meatballs sitting on a bed of homemade gravy with some rice. Try some of this. Now I'll tell you what, simple yet delicious. Just eating with a spoon I use to serve with, because why dirty a fork? I did asparagus. Steamed up nicely. Yummy. Alright, well, playlist for Cast Iron Wednesday will be down in the description, as long as last week's video. As we move into the month of December, it's going to be Asian, plus, you know, any Christmas dinners, Christmas meals we do. I don't know what I'm going to do yet. I was still Googling around some ideas, but hopefully I'll come up with something. Anyway, I appreciate you watching. We'll catch you in the next one.